Hello business owners, here I am Santosh Pimpre from Vemme Vertical channel to show you some transformations which will help the company, your business to grow faster and a better speed, because the company requires systems and softwares which will help the company to grow faster. So it's better to have a better solutions, and if you see the transformations and then you can decide how to do the transformations. So let's go through the site. Welcome back business owners. So you saw the transformation which are there. So this can be done step by step. These systems which upgradations are required, which can help you for your business to grow faster and deliver faster. This will create a win-win-win situation where your client wins, your team wins, and you win at large. So for that, please go in for a transformations. We will help you. There are step-by-step processes which we can help, and we can reach to that level. So it's not necessary that you have to go directly to a higher level. Step by step you can go in, and we are there. Vemme Vertical is there to guide you for the same. So please do contact Vemme Verticals Private Limited, and we'll help you to transform. Thank you.